Hello, this is Brian Bovero, National Sales Manager at Platinum One. This presentation is meant to give you a quick overview of our no credit check patient finance program. Welcome, and thank you for giving us a few minutes out of your busy schedule to take a look at our no credit check plan. Really, the next 5 minutes plus changes everything. Just relax. It's simple and easy to process loans. I'll address most questions along the way, and we'll set up a short follow-up at the end of the presentation to answer any of your questions that you may have. Now, let's get started. You can offer your patients credit from $100 to $5,000 with no credit check. All they need is a valid ID and a checking account that has been open for 120 days. Credit limit can be much higher in some cases. Ask your agent for details. Now, I have some very urgent questions for you. Are you losing patients because they can't get approved, don't have cash, or adequate insurance? Do you need a patient finance plan that can deliver 65 to 75% approvals? Could you use a patient finance plan that would increase your revenue each and every week? Would you like to have a patient finance plan that delivers traffic to your office because of the lure of no credit check? How about a patient finance plan much better than your competitors? And how about a no credit check program that charges zero fees to finance? That's what I said, zero fees to finance your money. Here is how our program works. The patient fills out a simple no credit check agreement and selects their method of payment. They can select 3, 6, or 12 months to pay back the loan. Interest rates start at 14.95%. Patient agrees to the amount of the first payment. You process the transaction through the system and usually receive an approval in less than 2 minutes. The approval guarantees your money with the bank. You are never charged fees on the loans. That's zero fees to finance. This alone could potentially save you thousands of dollars over conventional plans. These loans are non-recourse to you and your practice. If your patient stops paying, it's on the bank and you will never know about it. And you receive 100% of your money, that's the full amount of the loan, in about 48 hours. ACH directly into your account. I know I've gone over a lot of information, so here's a recap and some additional benefits about the No Credit Check Finance program. No Credit Check Finance for your patients equals more approvals and more revenue. More options to pay: debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Wallet, Samsung Pay, and of course checks. This means a larger pool of patients to increase your patient base. No Credit Check is a great marketing tool to attract new patients too, because of all the options. Give your patients the service they want today. Non-recourse to you and guaranteed by Wells Fargo Bank. No fees on your money, zero fees to finance your patients. It's easy to use for you and your patient. Don't turn away your patients. Limit walkouts because they can't pay. Upsell your service with a needed cash loan. Bundle services with one easy loan. Get the cash needed to complete a service. Can also be used for deductibles. This is the credit solution that your patients need. There are many other patient finance programs. Platinum One is a one-of-a-kind, no credit check plan like no other. More value in your patient finance plan. We get more approvals at a much lower cost to you. Let us prove it. After the presentation, schedule a follow-up appointment with your agent. Here are some interesting facts about no credit check finance and Platinum One. Our company began finance plans in 2007 and now has over 12,000 accounts nationwide. Loans are funded by Wells Fargo Bank. Loan is a cash advance. It can piggyback with existing finance. Loan can be used for cash to finish a service. Keep your profit in the procedure. Program is being used for most any service or procedure and a combination of them. Get more information from your agent to see if you qualify for the program. Ask about the low monthly cost of the no credit check patient finance plan. Schedule a follow-up with your agent to get any questions that you may have answered. Thank you for your time. This is our contact information. Ultimately, it comes down to one question. Do you want to serve those patients who want your services but don't get approved with those high qualification loan programs? Just don't have cash or adequate insurance coverage. Platinum One, no credit check finance, helping you help more patients. Have a great day.